I have one more job for the mini excavator, and that's to dig a trench line for some electricity that needs moved. When we tore the barn down back here, there's still some electricity standing there. It's been all shut off, but the box needs moved and run over to the green shed. Woo, that's noisy. I've marked an orange line on the ground for where the line's gonna be, and my son again is gonna be operating the machine because he's really good at it. We're gonna go about a bucket depth. You can see here, that bucket is probably 18 inches, so we're gonna go about 18 inches or so deep. And 18 inches from the top of the teeth, he's moving it. The electricity was originally run from a box way down there, coming all the way through here to that little box standing there, and there was a barn there. My boys took the barn down. Well, since that's being moved, we've dug up, right now it's full of water, but that's where we dug up to find that electrical line, and we were going to do a 90-degree turn over toward the green shed, and that's why we're digging the trench. This machine is really overkill for this job, but we have the machine, we rented it, and we were doing several jobs with it, and it's better to go ahead and get it done with that while we have it, instead of renting something else or trying to do this by hand. Huh? Chicken food. More chicken food. Here, duck, duck, duck. It's duck food. Here, duck, duck, duck. doing great. I probably couldn't have hired a better guy. At least not for the same price. Yep. More chicken food. Here, chick, 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 chick. You don't lay eggs. I'm going to give it to somebody who lays eggs. Here they are. They're over here in the soil. They got messed up from this project. Here, girls. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Hey, look at these. Oh, yeah. That's good protein in my eggs. Good girl, you got all 5 of them. That's looking good. That is looking good. There you go, just back up. Back up. Don't put it in the hole.
It's backwards.
Oh, right. Put this dirt over here so I have a path. So goofy.
Good? More, like here.
That's fine.
Contact.
I'll show you.
There's a hole.
I have a plan.
Huh?
I have a plan.
I wasn't thinking about that at all.
I got a plan. This project is almost done. This trench is almost dug. I know it's overkill. That machine made way bigger trench than we really needed, but it's getting done, it's fun, and we don't have to use a shovel. That's my kind of project. And my son is getting time on a machine that he never would have had time on. So that's good experience, that's good life experience. I'm glad he's getting that. Who knows where that'll take him, maybe nowhere, but it at least gives him the confidence that he can get on a machine like this and get a project done. Yeah.
I'm gonna try to clean out this enough so I can go back to scoop out the dirt by the water and just let all the water flow in. So.
All right, let's do it. Sorry, Mama. The floodgates were opened. The water is draining from that little duck pond that formed right there where the electrical line was supposed to be exposed. Now we got to get this machine off of this ditch, but we have a track on both sides. So we're gonna have to do a little trick to get that machine back on this side of the ditch.
So down right next to this one, I'll just turn the tractor to the right and bring it all over to that side.
Think that'll do it? Think you can get up on that and turn it?
I think so. I'm just gonna bring this one and bring it that way.
All right, let's see if it works. Fingers crossed. Can he do it? Can he get that up over that machine, over that pallet, without dropping that machine in the trench? Nice work. Woo!
I don't think plywood would have worked that well.
No, I think the pallet was a better idea. We did it, son.
We did it.
It is so cool having my son out here working with me and getting something done on a piece of machinery that I didn't have to break my back. And we got a ditch dug. Now we just got to get the electrician out here and get that line run toward the green shed here, and so we can close this hole up. Otherwise, we're just going to have a big mess for a very long time. Thanks for hanging out with me while we do this job. I appreciate you, son, for helping me out. I appreciate you. I didn't even let him finish.
I appreciate you letting me operate this. It's been fun.
If you like following along with a small homestead, a family that moved out of the suburban neighborhoods to live on a small homestead, to experience life, and just do all sorts of living experiments in the kitchen, on the farm, with the animals, with equipment, please hit the subscribe button and comment below that you're new to the Daddykirbs farm. I'd love to welcome you and just enjoy the journey that we have together. I'll talk to you soon.